If you want to remove the age restriction on Discord on Android, you will need to use your computer to do it, and then you can go onto your phone, your Android phone, and then it will be unage restricted. So the first thing is to open up Discord on your laptop or PC, and then you want to go to user settings. Okay, you go to user settings and then go to messaging permissions. And right here where it says direct messages from friends, direct messages from others, you want to make sure that all of these are on show. So in case it's on blur or block, make it on show, all three of those. Then scroll down, and then you want to allow access to age restricted commands from apps in DMs. You can toggle that on, and then allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. Okay, age restricted servers on iOS devices. Okay, it could be for an Android too, and then you check that box on, and then you're good to go. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.